early morning, you guys. It's time for a haul. I'm going to do a quick planner Kate haul. I got just one kit with a bunch of add-ons. I thought I would share. Haven't done a planner Kate haul in forever. So let me show you what I got. First, let me show you. These are the little samplers. Get those out of the way and onto the goods. So this is part of mini kit 211. So this is the sampler. I think everybody's already seen this one because I swear everybody in the planner community has already used this. And then I got the check boxes with the to-dos and different headers. And then I got the vertical and hourly check boxes, whatever you want to call them, just because I didn't know which one was actually going to work in my planner. Currently using my Annie Plans A5 wide RSL dupe, I guess you could say. I'll link my video of what my planner looks like down below or in the card up here. I've already done a setup with that, but I didn't know which one would work better in the layout that there is. I figured if worse comes to worse and I don't use either one or either one doesn't fit, I definitely would end up using most of these right here, the appointment boxes and the label boxes and flags. So there's that. And then these are the add-ons that I got. The icons. I got both the plain label and the deco label. More appointment boxes. I'm going to try out the hourly cutout. I do use the hourly, the lined, and then the vertical of the same insert just because I do my lists in one. I have my time stuff because my daughter has therapy and school, and there's my husband with work, and I'm hoping to get a job starting this summer if we don't move before then. So we're gonna be very busy. Then I got, and I'm actually kicking myself in the butt, I should have gotten the strip to see if it would work, but I got the individual decovers instead. And then I got both the skinny washi and the thick washi because I definitely want a bottom washi. So that is my quick little planner Kate haul. All of this is mini kit 211. And yeah, like I said, it is very early in the morning, and I hope you guys enjoy.